Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from my good friends over at JonPony. Definitely check them out. Their website will be down below in the description. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And here we go. We're about to see what's inside this thing. It's another recliner lifter, black XL. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. And here we go. I'm going to show you inside. Now, this is what it looks like when you open it up. Nice, well protected. But this thing is heavy, so if you are doing it by yourself, be very careful. You might want to get some help. But yeah, really nice chairs they have going on here. So, here we go. I'll be back. Alright guys, this is what it looks like, everything out. Here is the back end. You got some goodies over here. And we got some other stuff right here. Looks like the armrest. And that. We got another box there. And I have another box of goodies. Probably I don't even know. We'll find out. There's the back end. So everything's here. That's a good thing. And I'll start now. And now we have it finally installed, guys. This thing is a beauty. Super comfy. Great for Father's Day gift. If you don't know what to get to your father, this is going to be a good one. It's extra large. So, really comfortable though. Here is massage and heat. All I got to do is turn it on. Set the different modes. And you can hear it. And then press the heat button for heat. And you can do the timer. Top. And high, medium, low. And then part, so you can choose. You got some nice cup holders, you know, maybe hold some beer. Here we go. And it does lift, so this is going up, down is up. It takes a second. You can see it already lifting up. It's like a roller coaster, but way safer. Roller coaster for old folks. But you're gonna need maybe an extension cord or a power surge protector, unless you have extra sockets. It takes like 2 cords. I just gotta tuck those in, be good to go. You can see how much higher it is now. I think that's as high it could go. But yeah, it is pretty high though. Look at that. But and now you just set it down. All you gotta do is press down. Don't mind that area. I'm cleaning it up because I had to get rid of the old chair. But definitely, all you gotta do is click the link down below and check them out because you'll be happy with this purchase, just like I am. So, but yeah, look at that. Super comfy. You can watch hours of Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube TV. You can definitely fall asleep on this thing. It's super comfy. And it's a pretty long cord, so like I said, I gotta tuck it in. I'll be done tonight with it. So, but there you go, YouTubers. Definitely check them out. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Be safe out there, and see you soon.